Yo, what is up, guys? Jamie from Jamie's Detailing. Today is finally the day of our giveaway, and as I'm waiting for the last few comments to come in, I actually wanted to show you guys our foam cannon one last time, and I have a brand new product that is not available yet from Superior Products that we're going to be checking out today, along with our foam cannon. So, before we jump into our giveaway, let's see this foam cannon one last time in action. And then I'm going to bring my daughter out here, and she is going to pick two random people out of everybody that left comments. And you guys actually have a pretty high chance of winning. It's like, I think only around 80 or so comments as of right now, maybe 90. But you guys have an actually surprisingly high chance of winning for a YouTube video, just because there's not a lot of comments on last Sunday's video as of this very second of filming this video. But maybe things will change here in the next, let's say 40 minutes or so as I'm getting my car maintenanced out for the week. So let's actually check out our new soap from Dave over at Superior Products. He has been working on this stuff for a little while now, and I do have to say it is a phenomenal soap. I have been using this exclusively on my vehicle all year pretty much. I've been using it very sparingly, only about an ounce per foam cannon, because I don't want to run out, because you can't buy this stuff at the store quite yet. But this stuff should be pretty cool to show you guys, and the wax that it leaves is amazingly good. Really good solid protection, and it plays nicely with their ceramic coating as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this thing out. Got our foam cannon hooked up with our brand new soap that we're trying out for Dave over at Superior Products. Let's go ahead and test our spray pattern. I need to adjust it just a little bit. Oh, too much now. Like that right there. All right, guys, let's go ahead and see how this does. I only put about an ounce of soap in here, and I'm actually pretty happy with the amount of foam that we're getting. We could put a little bit more in, and it would be a lot foamier. Sometimes I've used 2 ounces, but like I said, I'm trying to use this stuff sparingly, and you don't really need a lot for it to do its job. Alright guys, so I got a good layer of foam on this thing, and even with 1 ounce, this soap is actually pretty foamy. I'm really happy with the amount of foam that we're getting just for a quick maintenance wash. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing dwell for like 30 to 60 seconds, and I'm gonna get this thing scrubbed off, dried, and then I'm meeting up with you guys at the back of the detailing rig to pick out our winners. You can just tell how good the protection is in this new soap. As you wash it off, Rag Company 1500 in denim. This is a limited run. This was an accidental 80% polyester, 80-20 blend. 80%, is that 80% polyester? As you guys can see, it doesn't quite dry as good as a 70-30, but still gets the job done. You just got to go over it once or twice. But these were super cheap at one point. They're all on clearance because they were messed up, because they messed up on them. So I actually bought these just as some cheap drying towels, they definitely still get the job done just fine. Alright guys, I just got the Range Rover clean, and my daughter London right here wanted to actually pick out the winners for today's giveaway. So I'm going to hand the phone to her in just a second, and she's going to scroll through all the different people that left comments, and she's going to at random pick 2 comments that she likes, and she's going to let us know the names of the accounts. Alright, so 1 second, let me just refresh this one last time. Make sure that there are no more comments. So we still got 70 in here. All right. So I have gone through, liked every single comment, read all of your guys' comments. So I'm going to go ahead and give the phone over to London. She's going to scroll through top to bottom, and then she's going to let us know when she's ready and when she found 2 people to give these foam cannons away to. I'm going to grab the foam cannons while you look. This one and this one. They're getting a little dusty on the top.
I found it.
All right, you found them? You found the ones that you want?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Here, let me give you the microphone. Ready to hold it? All right.
Mr. Competition 50 and K4Z_77.
Picking those 2 right in a row? Okay. All right, guys. So Mr. Competition 50 and K4Z_77. I'm going to go ahead and comment on these right now that you guys are our winners for our Maxpeedingrod's foam cannons. Congratulations to you guys, and congratulations to everybody that participated. You guys had a pretty high chances of winning with only 70 comments in there. So congratulations to our 2 and 70 people that won. But this was an awesome giveaway. Thanks a ton to Maxpeedingrod for giving us this opportunity. Oh shoot, my bad. I guess you don't have to sit there. My bad. Alright, so Mr. Competition 50 and K4Z_77. You guys are our winners for our Maxpeedingrod's foam cannons. Huge thank you to Maxpeedingrod for actually giving us some extra foam cannons to give away. This was an awesome opportunity for the YouTube channel, and I know my followers love having, you know, little opportunities like this to actually win stuff, and you guys were one of the first few people to actually give us some stuff to give away here on the channel, so we really thank you for that. But congratulations to our 2 winners. I'm gonna go ahead and comment on these right now. That way you guys know that you won. You guys should know before this video is actually even posted. But congratulations to the winners. Huge thank you to everybody subscribed to the channel, and huge thank you to everybody who actually commented on last Sunday's video and participated in the giveaway. I hope to do more of these in the future, and maybe we'll even get some bigger, cooler stuff in the future. But this was an awesome starting place for really one of our first giveaways here on the channel. I think we did one other giveaway here on the channel before. So congratulations, Mr. Competition 50 and K4Z_77. You guys are our winners today. I will let you guys know how to actually reply in the comments down below, so you guys know how to hit me up. Anyways, guys, that is all that I had for today's video. You guys can still take advantage of 20% off these foam cannons by using my discount code. I'll leave it right here on the screen, and I will put it in the comments down below. But until next video, I will see you next time. Peace.